Best bites forever.
Hey everyone, welcome to Best Bites Forever. I'm Chef Alicia, and in this video you'll learn to make this cheesy garlic bread. I'm starting off here with a couple of cloves of garlic in my food processor. I also have 1 stick of butter, and I'm going to pulse that a couple of times and then mix it until it gets this nice creamy consistency like so. Then I'm going to add in some salt. I'm going to say about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Do it to your own taste, and then mix it in again with the food processor. Once you have this compound butter ready to go, we can go ahead and spread it on some French bread. So this is a nice fresh piece of French bread that I have, and I'm going to put a nice thick layer of the butter onto it, and make sure that you go all the way to the edges. Do both pieces, of course, and then I'm adding on some mozzarella cheese. This is a shredded mozzarella, and I do want to make sure that I get all the way to the edges with the cheese because I like it to have that meltiness going over the edges. So I'm just going to kind of go back over it here and make sure I hit up those edges really well. I don't want any non-cheesy bites in here. Next, I'm using some shredded Parmesan, and I'm just going to do the same thing with this. I want to go back over the center and then over the edges. So the next thing that I'm doing is just giving it a little bit of color with some dried Italian spices, and I'm going to put this into the oven at 375 degrees until it has this really beautiful golden brown color to it. This is pretty much ready to eat, but I am going to go ahead and slice it up. I'm going to slice up one and kind of leave the other one whole for serving, but this is what it's going to look like when it's all finished. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy.
Hi again, thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a like and a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends because sharing is caring. And if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to go ahead and subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking, everyone.
Bestbitesforever.com